Are you a youth athlete looking to learn more about weightlifting? Then you're in the right place. My name is Luke Purser and I'm a certified personal trainer and motion specialist at EW Motion Therapy. I graduated from UAB with a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology. I've also earned an accredited certification through the National Academy of Sports Medicine. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the 6 most common exercises among high school and college athletes. I will review the proper lifting technique for each exercise, as well as common mistakes that I've seen athletes your age make when performing these movements. These videos will show you how to perform these exercises safely and remain injury-free. If you're excited to learn more about the gym, get stronger, and move forward in your athletic career, these exercises will lay a great foundation for you to build on as you grow and progress. Before starting these lifting exercises, please consult with a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or injuries. As you progress through this sequence, immediately stop any activity that causes discomfort or pain. It's essential to listen to your body, maintain balance, and modify exercises as needed to ensure a safe and effective workout.